Hi everyone, this is Jocelyn from SHOPLINE Malaysia. So for today's video, we'll be talking about how to create a Facebook Live bidding promotion event. Okay, so before we actually start on how to set up this event, let me just briefly introduce what this whole bidding feature is about. So this bidding promotion feature is actually for your Facebook Live, whereby you can allow your customers to auction off a product by letting your customers or viewers to bid against each other. So this is somewhat like a method to increase your audience engagement rate and also to actually boost up your online live sales as well. It's also one of the methods lah. Okay, so next, let's just go to how to set up this event. Okay, so first of all, you have to come to this social commerce on your left panel and then go to Shopline Live. Okay, and then you'll be brought to this live streaming page over here. And then in order to create this event, you have to first create the live room first. So you have to click on this create live stream. Okay, and then you have to go to live stream from Facebook. Okay, although we have two different channels, however, only live stream from Facebook, you are able to create events like this bidding feature and maybe like other events like a lucky draw, etc. Okay, so you have to create the live stream from Facebook. All right, and then you can just click on next. Okay, and then for the basic settings, let me just quickly okay, let me just quickly go through all of this. Okay, if you wish to know in depth of all of these setups, right, then you can actually watch our full tutorial video. Okay, we have more in-depth explanation of all of these settings. Okay, then just click on next. All right, as usual, we'll be explaining all of this in the full tutorial video. Okay, just create this first. All right, so now we are in this live room. Okay, so to set up the event, you can actually click on this event button on the left hand side and then click on this add button here. Okay, so here we'll be able to view 4 different types of events. Okay, however, for today's video, we'll be only focusing on bidding promotion event only. Okay, so just click on bidding promotion. But if you're also interested to know other events as well, so you can actually watch our other tutorial videos, mainly focusing on that specific event type. Okay, so let's go to bidding promotion. All right, so now we can actually set up the event details and also the event conditions. So the first thing here we see is actually the event title. So maybe let me just put bidding as well. And then the product name, which is the product that you are planning to auction off for your viewers to bid against each other. Okay, so maybe it's like a special item. So it's like a limited edition. And then the winning quota, maybe I've just put 1, okay? And then the starting price as well, you have to key in the starting price, okay? So meaning they have to start from this price and then they will bid to the highest price. So here, maybe I'll just put like a 50 bucks, okay? Then the highest price, normally we would not put any price over here so that your customers will actually get to bid to the highest amount. You don't let them have like a restriction, right? So you can just leave this part blank, okay? And then next is the event time. So if you plan to have a event time, then you have to click on this icon over here and then you have to set up, for example, like a 3 minutes. Then click on OK. However, if you want to leave this event time blank, then you would need to manually end this event yourself, yeah? All right, so once the event details and the conditions is all being set up ready, then you can proceed next to go to the event message page. So over here, it's just like other event settings as well. We will have all the event messages because before the start of the event, we will actually send this, sorry, it's not before the start, it's during the start of the event, we will actually prompt this message, the system will prompt this message to the comment section just to let all the audiences, all your viewers know that, hey, we're starting this event already, get ready, okay? So that's the purpose of the event start message. And we also have this event end message whereby you will inform everyone that the event has ended, okay? So no point of commenting the the price, okay, or the other keywords or whatnot already, okay. And then after that, we have the announce winners information. Just to make everything transparent, we will announce who's the winner, okay. And then this will also send it to the comment section part lah. For the last event is actually the winning private message, whereby this message will be sent to the winner themselves on the to their messenger inbox, okay. So all of these messages here, if you do not have your own customized message, you can just leave it blank and then you can just proceed to create, okay? Because the system will actually have the default message template already, all in gray. These are the default template, okay? However, if you have your own customized message, you can also type it here, okay? So it's totally up to you whether you want to use the default one or you want to use your own customized template. But then we also have the available parameters, whereby you can actually directly copy the event title, for example, or the product name, etc., into your customized message. So this will actually allow you to minimize the risk of having typos, or maybe sometimes, we might leave out certain, alphabets or whatnot in a message, right? Because these are very important things for the whole event. So you can actually just directly copy from here, and it also saves your times as well, right? So yeah, that's all for the available parameters. And then once you're done with the event message and then you're already satisfied with everything, then you can create the event already. Okay, so now the event has been created successfully. You will be able to view what this promotion event is about. So it's about the bidding feature. And then this one will be your event title that we have created. But if you wish to change this title, you can just click on this more actions icon. Okay, these three dots over here, and then click on edit event. And then here you'll be able to maybe change the event type, like for example, the okay, so this will be the new event title. Then just click on save. Or if you wish to actually change the event message, you can also edit over here as well. Okay. So once everything is all right, then click on save. You'll see the event title has been changed already, right? Okay, so let's say today you do not only want to have one session of this bidding session. You have two products, you want to have two bidding sessions. You can also do the same. You can either just add, or if it's the same product, but then you want to do it twice, then you can just copy this activity, okay? Because it's the same product you're selling with. So you can just copy activity, and then you can change the event title here, and then you can key in the new product name, okay? Or you want to use back the same product name is also fine. And then after that, of course, the event title, you have to change a bit lah, because it's not the same session, right? It's a second session of bidding session. So you can actually slightly change this event title a bit. And also maybe you want to change the event time as well. Okay, so it's totally up to you. So just proceed with the same steps as well. Okay, so that is for the copy activity part. And then the third feature is actually the delete event part. So if let's say you plan to maybe cancel off this event suddenly, then you can just click on the delete event part as well. Okay. All right. So that's all for the bidding feature. I hope you guys have better knowledge on what this bidding feature is all about. And then if you guys want to know more of how to set up other events, feel free to go and watch other videos that we have. And then if you have any other questions, just reach out to us on your admin panel live chat, and our support team will get back to you soonest. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.